What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World, and we got another awesome free watch face for you all to check out. Now you gotta download ASAP because free can become paid like in 10 minutes. But listen up, people, we got a nice casual watch face, not a super casual like the last one, but a casual watch face, simple but yet fun, right? The name of the watch face is called BG1 Double I watch face, and I like the look, a very different, unique design, not a bad look at all. Now in the AOD mode, you are going to get a simple, and I do mean simple, digital time. But when the watch face is on, it's very, very nice. I thought the developer got super creative with this watch face, and looking at it, you're pretty much going to get what's essential out of any watch face, but in a different way. Now, up at the top, you are going to get your step info because I know that's important to a lot of you all. And then you come down, you're going to get your date, and it got it abbreviated, right, with the letters of what it is. D stands for date, H stands for hour, the M stands for minutes, and the S down at the bottom stands for seconds. And of course, you're going to get your battery percentage down at the bottom. I thought this was good for a review, especially for a simple, unique watch face for everyday wear. All right, you all, you know what to do. Hit me in the comment section down below. I want to know if this is a download or leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, hope you all are getting over the hump and having a great day. And if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and also hit the like button on the way out. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next one. Take care.